Hey, what's up? Battery is the main feature of Oukitel K12, but camera is very important for many people. We have to test the camera of this mobile device. By the way, by the links in description you can watch unboxing and performance test of Oukitel K12. Tomorrow we will publish a video with battery test. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers not to miss new videos. Oukitel K12 has dual camera on the rear panel, 16 megapixels main sensor from Sony and 2 megapixels secondary sensor. However, I think that the second sensor is fake. First, you will not find it in the apps for testing hardware, for example, Antutu. There is only one sensor on the back. Secondly, the photos with bokeh effect are quite bad. Later, I will show them to you. The front camera is 8 megapixels. Talking about camera app, it is standard for MediaTek devices. There are many shooting modes: video, picture, beauty, bokeh, mono and pro. You can even use a face filter, just like in Instagram or Snapchat. The photo settings menu has following options. As you can see, the maximum photo resolution is 16 megapixels, 4608 by 3456 pixels. The maximum video resolution is Full HD. There is electronic image stabilization in the video settings menu. Now, let's look at real sample photos. Actually, I like the photos taken on Oukitel K12, especially in good lighting conditions. As you can see, the images in daytime are clear and high detail. The selfie camera is just okay. As I already said, the bokeh effect is very bad. Just look at this picture. The blur of background is very inaccurate. Oukitel K12 makes pretty good photos in low light conditions. I took these images at the chocolate shop. They look very good to me. However, the images at night are not as good as in daytime, and even in low light conditions, the photos are overexposed from the street lights and they are not very clear. The video footage is smooth, so I think the electronic image stabilization really works. However, just like any other budget Chinese phones, the video on Oukitel K12 is too sharp for me. It looks unrealistic. What do you think about this? Write in comments below. Oukitel K12 has good camera for budget phone, but it costs $250. This is not a budget smartphone at all. I can say that the camera is not very good for this price. Yes, you can take really good images in daytime and even in low light conditions. However, the bokeh effect is very bad. The photos at night could have been better for $250 phone. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. See you next time.